Kentucky's Attorney General wants to get a case at the center of the state's 15-year ban on executions dismissed.
His team argued in court today that it's time to clear the way for about a dozen death row inmates to be executed. LEX 18's political reporter Carolina Buchek has that story.
This case has been dragging on for 20 years.
Kentucky Attorney General Russell Coleman says it's time. He wants the state to move forward with the executions of death row inmates.
These gruesome criminals deserve the lawful sentences that they received from Kentucky juries.
One of the inmates is Ralph Bass, who was convicted of killing a sheriff and a deputy back in 1992. Now, the Attorney General has asked Governor Andy Beshear to sign Bass's death warrant, but that signature didn't happen. And last year, the governor explained why.
Ralph Bass committed a horrible crime, and because of that, there's a family that is still hurting. Right now, there is an injunction from the Franklin Circuit Court on all capital punishment in Kentucky.
The governor says that injunction essentially forbids Kentucky from performing any more executions until a final judgment. And he says another regulation is currently going through the judicial process. So today, Coleman's team asked the Franklin Circuit Court to dismiss the case with the injunction. He says that dismissal would quickly clear the way for about a dozen executions. Kentucky currently has 24 death row inmates listed. And according to the Kentucky Department of Corrections, on average, these inmates spend about 27 years awaiting execution. The longest serving death row inmate in Kentucky has been behind bars for 45 years now. So the Attorney General says the victims' families have been waiting for far too long.
Carolina, we're talking about, as you say, decades and decades and decades. What concerns me as the state's chief law enforcement officer is that we know when there is not swift and certain justice, we know that we see the rule of law eroding.
Coleman says waiting this long to execute some of Kentucky's most serious offenders sends a bad message to everyone.
We want to prevent the harm. We want to prevent the victimization. And when you have a system where there is not real punishment with the most heinous offenders, then the rule of law becomes shaky. That's the impact.
Now, the governor's office has also said that the drugs used in lethal injections are difficult to obtain. So that is another problem. But the Attorney General says other states have carried out executions in the last year and a half. So he believes if they can do it, so can Kentucky. In Frankfort, Carolina Buchek, LEX 18 News.